everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video, I'm going to do a one brand skincare routine, and the brand that we're going to talk about today is Inatur Herbals. I have already done one such video using their Kumkumadi range last year, and I'm doing this video again because they have added two new products to the range. However, some of the products that I had are over. I have completely used them, and that's why I have different products to substitute them. So I thought let's just do an in-depth routine itself and talk about the other products as well. And the two new products that they have launched are the Kumkumadi face pack, which I absolutely love, and the Kumkumadi sun protection lotion, which has SPF of 30. This is also a pretty good sunscreen lotion. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video, and I hope you will like it. So first thing first, I'm going to wash my face, and for that I'm using the Gold Face Wash, which has potent anti-aging properties because it is made up of 6 precious herbs such as chironji, geranium, jasmine, lotus, patchouli and papaya. It offers you 150 ml of product. It is dermatologically tested and it retails for 390 rupees. So this face wash is pretty mild and it hydrates your skin and also, gives you a little bit of glow. However, I definitely love the Kumkumadi face wash from this range a lot because it felt like, you have lathered up of oranges on your face. The scent of it was very awakening and very refreshing, and I finished that up completely. I cannot even find the bottle. I really wanted to show you guys in this video, but I cannot find it anywhere. I did share it as an empty in on my Instagram. So yeah, that's why I've been using this one. This one is also good, but my favorite is the orange face wash. So the next step is going to be exfoliation, and I'm going to use the same scrub from the Kumkumadi range. It has been my favorite ever since I started using it. It gives you an amazing radiant glow immediately after the use. I'm almost halfway through this tub and I absolutely love using this one. I absolutely love how my skin feels after using this particular face scrub. It's too good, guys. And now I'm going to use the face mask from the Kumkumadi range, which is a new launch, and I've recently tried it a couple of times. I do like it. It is like that clay mask that helps tightening the skin and also, gives you a radiant glow. The entire Kumkumadi range is about radiant glow from within, healthy looking skin. So yeah, and this one retails for 850 rupees and offers you a product of 125 grams. Alright, so the face pack is on, and now I'll just wait for it to dry down, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks when it's all dried up, and then we'll continue with the skincare. So this is how my face looks like after I've washed off the mask. It feels extremely soft to touch, definitely, and the skin looks brighter and glowing as well. But because it's clay mask, you will feel a little, that you feel a little bit of dryness. So you'll immediately have to follow up with a moisturizer, and that's why I quickly want to mention about the Kumkumadi facial serum that I have used. And I finished this one completely. I really enjoyed using this one during the monsoons last year when my skin felt more on the combination side. I love this one, and in the winters I was layering it up with another moisturizer, and I loved how it felt on the skin. Loved the serum a lot. And also talking about the cream from the same range, completely finished it again, and this one is also amazing. I loved using this one to bits. Like literally nothing is left in the tub, and it's too good. It's too good. And if you want to see how to use these and the review of these in detail, you can obviously check my previous video on this range. So yeah, and that is why we are now going to moisturize with the chocolate and raw sugar cream from Inatur itself. And this one also I have used almost halfway through, and I love this one, and it literally feels like you have chocolate surrounding you. So this one is also a pretty good thick moisturizing cream. Love it for winters totally. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit of this and then moisturize. So you can follow this routine pretty much in the day or night, however you like it. But in case you're doing this during the day and you're going to step out as well, then I would highly recommend you to put on a sunscreen before you walk out of that door. And I'm really happy and excited to let you guys know that Inatur has launched a sunscreen in the Kumkumadi range. Like, they already have sunscreen options, but they have a sunscreen from for this specific range as well, and it offers you an SPF of 30, and I'm very happy with this sunscreen. It's a very lightweight moisturizer kind of a formula, and it really doesn't give you any white cast or anything. It melts into the skin very nicely, and this retails for 950 rupees and offers you a product of 100 ml. Now I'm going to get ready, carry on with my day, and I'm going to show you a little bit of nighttime routine as well with all these products, and yeah, just stay tuned for that. Alright, so I am back, and since I'm not really wearing any makeup right now, it's just lipstick and some eyebrow product and sunscreen of course. I'm just going to stick to a very simple cleansing routine. I don't really like to do an in-depth cleansing routine every day, especially on days when I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup. So I generally stick to a micellar water or a very mild face wash. So today I'm going to use the Inatur's Jojoba Oil Micellar Cleansing Water, and I'm going to clean my face, and yeah, that will be all for cleansing tonight. Also, I have done a complete review on Inatur's Micellar Water. In case you want to check that out, I will leave the link in the description bar below or attach up here. You can have a look at it. Now I'll just quickly rinse my face with water, and that's it. Now since my face is clean, now I'm going to use the Kumkumadi Tailam as the last step, and that's all about the skincare routine. I'm not going to do anything else because this is pretty moisturizing, and it does look thick, but it absorbs quite quickly into the skin, and you just need a couple of drops, that's it. And that's all for the routine. I'm just going to change now and crash. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's chat in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see more one brand skincare tutorials or not. And if yes, then which brands. And yeah, that's all for this video. I will see you very soon. And till then, bye-bye. Take care. I love you guys so much.